Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to set up direct deposit for Wells Fargo Bank. So yeah guys, before we get started though guys, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all you just have to go to wellsfargo.com, or you can just download Wells Fargo mobile app like this on your iOS or Android device. So once you have downloaded their app or just signed into your Wells Fargo bank account on their website, you just have to come to this page. Just search on Google direct deposit, how to set up direct deposit on Google, and it will redirect you to this page. So you can download a blank direct deposit or automatic payment setup guide and fill in the information yourself. So you can also use their pre-filled form. Just select the account you like your deposit to go to, and we'll pre-fill the form with your routing number, account number and account type. The second step is to provide the information on the completed form to the company or agency that pays you. Your payer may ask you to complete their form in order to process your request. The third step is to monitor your account. It may be 1 or 2 pay or benefit periods before direct deposit goes into effect. Signing up for automatic alerts will notify you when a direct deposit is available in your account. Choose how you want to receive alerts: email, text messages, or push notification to your phone. You can also change your preferences anytime. However, if you face any issues with that, you can also contact them on this number. So yeah guys, if you found this video to be helpful in setting up direct deposit for Wells Fargo Bank, then please leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. With that all being said, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.